Good morning, students. Let us see the second part of the first chapter. That is, first chapter of your MSc was God has made the world. So we have seen what are the creation of God, what are the things God taught us, how we know, how we experience, how we sense the presence of God. Now let us see a story of two friends, Sham and Sita. This is a story of two friends, Sham and Sita. Sham believes in God. Sham is a boy and he believes in God. Sita did not, but Sita did not believe in God. She believes that life and the world were created naturally over the years out of heat and movement of the earth. She thinks that it is because of the creation of the earth and movement and heat and because of the atmosphere. One day, Sham painted a beautiful picture in a rich and vibrant color. One day, he created a very beautiful picture which was looking very rich and vibrant. Sita was very impressed by it. Sita was very impressed by the picture. Who made this picture? She asked. Nobody replied. Sham. What do you mean? No, by nobody? She asked that what do you mean by nobody? Somebody have made this picture? Yes, said Sham. There is no need for anybody. The paper flew in from somewhere. The paint were lying in the cupboard. Perhaps the wind blew them on the paper. Means he said that nobody made this picture. The paints were lying, the papers were lying, and automatically the picture were drawn. Somehow it became hot and the paper and paint it started moving about. Hey presto, the picture got painted. Then he says that automatically somehow the brush got heated and it started painting. Means it automatically got painted. By this time Sita was quite irritated, but she was quite irritated because she knows that it is not possible. The paint cannot be painted itself. Somebody must have painted this, but he is giving this silly answer. She says, don't be silly, she says. Tell me now who made it. Now you are being silly, Sita, said Sham. Sham said that now you are being silly. If the creation of this world can occur on their own by themselves, why not a little picture? Then he explains, then he tells that behind this logic, what was his explanation, that if the world can be created by its own, why not picture? Sita now understood what Sham was trying to explain. She understood that someone must have made this world and all the life in it. She realized that God is must be God. Means the creation, behind this creation there is hands of God. Now she believes that every creation, means each and everything which is created by someone, and that someone is God. Now she understands and believes in the presence of God. God is everywhere. We say that He is all pervading. He is in the sky, deep down in the earth, in the ocean. Means He is present everywhere, in the ocean, in the sky, in the deep. Everything, each and everything, God is present. He knows everything. Nothing is hidden from His sight. We may be able to keep something secret from our teachers or from our friends or even from our parents. We keep secret from our friends, from our parents, and sometimes from our parents also and teachers also, but we cannot keep any secret from God. He knows everything. We cannot keep any secret from the God. God knows everything. Without our telling, He knows the everything. So we cannot keep any secret from the God. See, with this we have completed our first chapter. I have already sent some work for you, filling the blanks and true or false, that you have to complete in your notebook. In the next video we will see the next lesson.